Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the loudspeaker comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi11X device. As you can see, friends. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the better loudspeaker as well. And both phones, they're having the dual stereo speaker setup. And I did previously uploaded a video on a couple of things like comparing the both phones, which phone is the best, and even comparing the display. So comparing the display and comparing the physical dimensions and all those things, build quality and everything. I uploaded all those videos as well, friends, so make sure to check the playlist, so which will be available in the links in the description below. So let's get started, friends, with this kind of comparison of the loudspeaker comparison. So first thing is that I am using the Redmi K40 model right now in my hand, so which is also called as the Mi11X device in India. So all the things are same completely with this both phones, everything is same, friends. So that's why I did say that the phone is kind of Mi11X and the Redmi K40. So let's begin the test. It is a sound meter bar which is present here, as you can see here, friends, so which I'll be trying to use in the test right now. So let me try to quickly open the audio file which I'm going to test in this video. So as you can see, friends, right now I'm using the same audio file in both the phones. So let's see which phone will be performing better in terms of the audio output as well. So we'll get to know, friends, right now. So let me try to start the audio file right now. So playing just by increasing the volume. So you can see the animation of increasing and decreasing the volume as well. So meanwhile, you can concentrate on that one. So overall it reached up to the 86 kind of decibels, the maximum decibels it did reach, so during this time of testing. So now let me try to test in the Realme X7 Pro. And one more thing is that I'll try to place evenly between both the phones. So as you can see, equal space is there between both the phones, and both phones, they're having the top and the bottom speakers as well. So let me try to start the audio test right now. So you can see the increasing and decreasing of this audio file here animation. As you can see, friends, it reached up to 87 decibels. So 87 decibels is slightly higher than this Mi11X loudspeaker. So in case if you're liking, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, because every day I'll be doing this kind of unique comparison with other smartphones in my channel. Try to check the links in description as well. So right now, let me try to play the audio file one by one, so you might be able to experience the difference at the moment. So let me try to start playing one by one. So I'm placing it same positions only. So right now, definitely, friends, the Realme X7 Pro's loudspeaker is slightly better than the Mi11X device. So that is what I noticed, friends, right now. I can hear much more volume coming from the Realme X7 Pro device. So when you compare with the Mi11X device or the Redmi K40. So let me try to play again the audio, so you might be able to feel the difference. So try to hear properly, friends, right now. I'm trying to use full volume in both the phones, so there is nothing volume got decreased. So both phones are having the maxed volume, and in this max volume, so the Realme X7 Pro performed pretty good when you compare with the Mi11X device. So that is what the conclusion of this test is overall. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on live wallpapers, what I'm using in this video, and plenty of other videos related to this Realme X7 Pro or other smartphones. So make sure to check the links in description, definitely. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.